Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of Science with me Asim Sabah. So this video is about the lecture on food preservation and processing. This video is going to be helpful for students who are pursuing graduation and post-graduation in food science and nutrition. So watch this video till end. Content of the video: food preservation and processing, food spoilage or deterioration, principles of food preservation. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that you never miss the video from us. What is food preservation and processing? Foods gradually undergo deterioration or spoilage from the time they are harvested, slaughtered or manufactured. There are some foods which spoil rapidly, while others foods can be kept for longer but very limited period of time. The storage life of some fruits, leaf vegetables and animal foods is less than 1 to 2 days at 21 degrees Celsius. When foods spoil, they undergo physical, chemical and biological changes. Physical changes such as protective outer layer broken, chemical changes such as staining, discoloration, rancidity that is off flavor and off odor, enzymatic browning, and biological changes that is growth of microorganisms cause changes in appearance, flavor, odor and other qualities of foods. These changes make the food unacceptable for consumption. Preservation is a technique which produces different forms of products. For example, grapes when dried produce ricins. Using preservatives, grape squash can be made. Therefore, preserved foods are easier to distribute and can be made available in all places at all the time. What are the causes of food spoilage or deterioration? Number 1. The growth of microorganisms like bacteria, yeast and molds. Number 2. The action of enzymes that normally occur in the foods. For example, if you take an apple and cut the apple, in the presence of oxygen from the air and in the presence of polyphenols which is present in the apple, cause apple a browning that is called as browning reaction. This makes the fruit inedible. Number 3. Non-enzymatic reaction in foods such as oxidation, heat, light, oxygen, moisture, insects and rodents. Insects and rodents cause the food and vegetables or the cereals and the pulses damage. These are some of the examples for non-enzymatic reaction in foods, called as Maillard reaction. What are the principles of food preservation? Number 1. Prevention or delay of microorganisms. This can be done by different methods. By keeping out of microorganisms called as asepsis, by removal of microorganisms called as filtration, by hindering the growth of microorganisms by using a different preservative techniques such as low temperature, drying, anaerobic conditions or chemicals, or by killing the microorganism by using a technique called as heating or radiation. Number 2. Prevention or delay of self-decomposition of foods. This can be done by destruction or inactivation of food enzymes which are naturally present in the food. For example, blanching. Blanching can be helpful for inactivating the enzyme which is present in the fruit or the vegetable. This is the process where you transfer the vegetable in a boiling water and immediately take off and put it in a cold water so that you just inactivate the food enzyme. And the next preventive measure is by delay of chemical reaction, for example antioxidants. If you want to avoid the browning in the apple, once you cut the apple, you can apply lemon juice on the apple or dip the apple in a Orange juice, the presence of antioxidant, that is vitamin C, which act as a natural antioxidant, prevent the browning reaction in the fruit. Number 3. Prevention of damage caused by insects, rodents and mechanical cause. There are some of the spoilage of foods due to insects and rodents in cereals and pulses. This can be prevented by keeping in an airtight container. Mechanical damage to foods during transportation can be prevented by doing transportation in or packing of fruits or vegetable in a proper packaging material.